guys, look at my baby is here. I have been wanting to have my own physical product for years. My voice totally cracked. I've been wanting to have a physical product for years, and I'm a gift giver. So I love all the packaging and the marketing and the textures. And anyway, I have my own design binder. It was originally for the people in my design classes, and then as we were designing it, I changed a little bit and made it a little bit more generic, so you can use it for my design classes, my behind the scenes classes, or you can just use it for a beautiful home binder to have on your shelf and keep your dreams, your receipts, your paint colors, your layout, floor layouts, furniture layouts, and all that. So these are available now. I have 300 in stock, but they are going fast, so be sure to grab one before they are all gone. Each binder comes with a letter from me with some instructions and ideas for how to use it. It's made with this beautiful linen cover, gold detailing, and you can decide what you want to call your binder. Then inside we have custom artwork with a quote from William Morris. Inside your zipper pouch there is a manifesto of some of the ideas and things that we teach on She Holds Dearly, and some Harney & Sons tea. Then you get a wipe-off page with an annual editing plan, wipe-off page for your floor layout, furniture layout, and you can add your own. Then you get 15 dividers with pockets. At the back you have a holder for business cards and a little button and twine envelope for samples, receipts, etc. So for the next portion of this video, I want to share my thought process when I'm designing a tablescape. And so I've collected a bunch of things from my stash that we could use for a Thanksgiving setup. That's the first thing you want to do, is go ahead and collect all the things that you could use. So I pulled fabrics, curtains, sheets, tablecloths, blankets, scarves, anything that you could use as a runner or layering and making your tablecloths. You want to collect all of those together in one spot. And then I thought about centerpieces. So they could be pumpkins, it could be berries and branches and leaves that you are cutting from your yard. Think about different soup tureens that you have, or big beautiful bowls you could use. I grabbed a cloche, I grabbed candlesticks. The beeswax ones are very beautiful. This is the perfect color for autumn, so if it says pure beeswax, you know you're gonna get a really good color. I even pulled some of my amber bottles off my bookshelf. So I've got a collection of different things, and honestly, by the time you actually get all the food on the table, there's not a ton of room for a centerpiece, but I can't resist. I have to mess with the centerpiece a little bit. After that, you want your dishes. So I pulled out my brown transferware, my goblets from Ireland. I even went more casual too and pulled just some white mugs that I had on hand, although I don't think, I'm gonna have to choose between the goblets and the mugs. I have copper mules. I have a lot of kind of gold and copper going on, and I probably need to commit to one of those metals. Grab serving dishes that you love. Grab bottles of wine that you could have on the table. So anything to kind of inspire you. You're making a tangible 3D mood board basically at this point. Throwing a bunch of ideas onto a separate table. And then lastly, I grabbed just some decorative pieces that maybe I'll put on the wall nearby, or even on the front door as we walk into the house. Okay. So now I have everything collected and I need to start designing. I think the tablecloth is going to be the hardest of all. Look at this stash. So I don't actually have a formal dining room in my current house. It's part of an addition that we want to add on, but we want to pay cash, so it's taking us a while. And so when I have company, I have to run banquet tables down the center of my living room, which is what I'm sharing with you today. It works. You do the best you can with what you have, but that's what you're seeing today is my little temporary dining room situation. I really love this idea of putting your silverware under a cloche. I just think that's really unique. Use all of your pretty foods and bottles and things as decoration. Everything is a decoration, if at all possible. These are my normal dishes, my everyday dishes, and I just layer them with different colored transferware for the holidays. So I have some brown, but I don't have enough of my salad plates, so I only have 4 of them. So the end seats just have this style. I got these napkins at Brimfield. These goblets I inherited they're from Ireland. I do love them. And then I would eventually love to have enough plates where, you know, everyone could have a transferware plate, but I folded the napkins like this and you could tuck a leaf in or a little turkey feather. So I pulled in some chairs from my yard, actually, my porch and my yard. And you want to dress up your chairs too. So put a little bit of thought into your chairs. Added this pillow and a throw. Instant charm. So I got the table done. All right, thank you so much for following along as I put my little tablescape together. It was really fun. It was really good to get all these pieces out that I haven't seen in a year, and so it was fun to share with you guys. I have one more fall video to do, and then we are diving deep into Christmas. I have lots of DIYs. I have lots of thrifting. I really want to get started on that with you guys, and I'm super excited. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and click the subscribe button right now, and then I can send you more videos on how to make interior design easy. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon.